Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The question in here is for Vietnam and this is on the real high school examination. I just translated the question number 40 and here is about the question. The equation of simple harmonic motion is S equals to A multiplied with cosine omega t plus phi. We know that v and a are velocity and acceleration of motive objects respectively. Which of the following equation below is correct? So we have A, B, C, D, and we just have about the equation in here. So we have A and V in the question. We have the omega and we have the capital A. So the question they ask, we need to find the correct equation in here. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to know that V is about the first derivative of S, and first derivative of S, that's about this equation. And if we do first derivative, cosine will change to the negative side and we have omega t, so we have the omega outside, and that's about minus A omega sine, open the bracket, omega t plus theta plus phi. The next one, that's about A. A is about second derivative of S or first derivative of V. So we can use this equation to do the next derivative. We have omega and we put the omega outside. The sine they will change to cosine and we have minus A omega power 2 cosine, and this thing will be same. Now we need to know that we have the formula sine power 2 this thing plus cosine power 2. You will get about number 1. So we will use this formula to find the A power 2 outside, because if you put the A and eliminate the omega, you can get A power 2 at the end, just like on the question in here. So we put about this thing in the power 2. So to eliminate this omega, so you put about omega power 2. Similar with this one. Because we have omega to the power of 2, and that's about we have number 2 in the power. So in this situation, in the denominator, omega should be power 4. Now we can eliminate this omega and omega, so you got about A multiply with this one and we have the power 2, and similar for the cosine. Now we put A power 2 in the factor and we will get about a power 2 at the end. So now we need to know that this one is about v, this one will be about a. Now let's compare for the question. We have v power 2 over omega power 2 plus a power 2 over omega power 4 equal to a power 2. So the answer for the question in here is about b.